Hey guys, welcome back on my channel. For today's video, I am presenting to you a simple, easy way to add some jazz to a little chopped salad or meal salad that you get directly at the grocery store. If you want to know how I made MAGALIE, stay with me. What we're going to add to jazz up our regular salad is a little bit of green onion, avocado, a bit of lime juice, and red marinated cabbage. Let's go. Let's spice up our salad a little bit. Going in with the avocado. A little bit of lemon juice. A little bit of red cabbage. And then green onions. Pepper. Oh my god, this is going to be so good. Okay. And then we're topping it off with the original dressing. She is renewed, replenished, and she is ready to get eat. Look at her. She's so much more gorgeous, and I'm pretty sure that it's going to be really more tasteful. So far, so good. Look at all this color. Oh. Okay, let's try. She's a killer. Never underestimate a good avocado and some good red cabbage. Cheese. I'm the kind of person who is so influenced by her stomach. It is crazy. My boyfriend could tell a good word about that. Every time I'm hungry, I am just another Phyllis. I am raging Phyllis. And then the minute that the food touches my mouth, oh my god, Happy Phyllis is back. So that's it for today's salad. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and I give you some tips and tricks how to jazz up a regular salad. And I hope it gives you some ideas on salad meals that you could find at the grocery store. So I'm going to leave you and we're seeing each other in next week's video, which is next Wednesday. As usual, where would I be? I'm gonna be here for sure. Okay guys, bye.